In primetime news this evening, tension high in Mountain View, Kingston as warring factions trade bullets. Incomplete criminal records office sparking labor relations nightmare. And St. Andrews South Police Division gets state of emergency extension until 2020. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Grade.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Milton Walker has our preview. Milton?
Yes, Janella, government will change a key crime-fighting law to make it easier for small businesses to access loans. We'll tell you all about that in the Financial Week.
Thanks, Milton. From business, we go to Spencer Darlington for a preview of what's coming up in the world of sports.
Thank you very much, Herman. Well, Jamaica got another bronze at the World Championships today. The country's tally is now up to 7. We'll give you all the details during Primetime Sports Friday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening, what would you say is the best individual performance of the World Championships so far?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after these breaks.